Do you want to earn up to $300 per day on Instagram? Keep watching as I show you how to make money with Instagram and how to build a profitable business. Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Krabby, and on this channel I share methods to earn money online so you can earn a decent income and live a stress-free life. So if you are interested, then make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today we will talk about how you can earn money with Instagram, and I will show you 5 proven ways to earn up to $300 per day from your Instagram account. Number 1, we will talk about publishing sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are paid posts where a brand will pay an Instagram influencer to publish a post. Generally, sponsored posts could be photos of you using a product or recommending it. They could also be videos where you showcase the features of a product or review the product in detail. There are many websites that aim to help Instagram influencers to find brand deals and facilitate communication between the two. Number 2, we will talk about sharing affiliate links. Sharing affiliate links is one of the best ways to earn money with Instagram. To begin earning, you need to join affiliate programs so that you can add affiliate links to your Instagram and make a commission on the sales you generate. The best part about sharing affiliate links is that it can bring in huge amounts of profit if done correctly. Here's a bonus tip for you. Make sure to keep an eye out for affiliate programs with recurring commissions. There are some affiliate programs that will keep paying you a set amount of commission per month as long as the person you referred is paying the monthly subscription. A good example of such program is TubeBuddy. I will leave a link to it down below the video, so make sure to check it out for more details. Number 3, we will talk about selling shoutouts. Selling shoutouts is one of the most popular ways to earn money from Instagram. Basically, once you get enough followers, you could start selling shoutouts and people will pay you a huge amount of cash for it. The price for shoutouts depends on a couple of factors, like the number of followers you have, the amount of engagement per post, and so on. There are a lot of online marketplaces where you can sell or buy shoutouts from. I will link to some down below this video. Number 4, we will talk about selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the most lucrative ways to make money with Instagram. With digital products, you can sell your own courses or videos and even photos. And you know what's the best part? With digital products, you will put effort upfront, but once you finish the product, you can keep selling it over and over and earning really decent profit. Number 5, we will talk about selling your freelance services. Another way you can make money with Instagram is if you have a service, then you can market that service on your Instagram account and get clients willing to pay for your expertise. You can literally offer anything you can, from video editing to digital marketing. The sky's the limit. By selling your services, you will make some decent money, but you will also be trading your time for money, which is not a really good idea for a long-term business. So, to recap, today we talked about 5 proven ways you can start making money with Instagram. If you decide to apply these methods, then you can possibly make up to $300 per day or even more. So don't waste any time waiting and start working. If you want to know more methods to earn money online and live a stress-free life, then check this playlist for more videos like this. See you in another video.